Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer account to new device on eFootball. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To transfer your eFootball account to a new device, first make sure your current account is linked properly. Open the eFootball app on your old device and go to the Extras section from the main menu. Tap on Support and then choose Link Data. You'll see multiple options like linking through a Konami ID or another platform such as Game Center or Google Play. It's recommended to link your account to a Konami ID for the safest transfer. If you don't have one, you can easily create it on the official Konami website and then sign in through the app. Once your data is successfully linked, take your new device and install eFootball from the Play Store or App Store. Open the game, and on the title screen, tap on these three lines and then tap on Data Transfer. Now choose the same linking method you used earlier. For example, sign in with Konami ID and log in with your credentials. After login, your account data will be restored and you can continue your game from where you left off. Just make sure you don't try to play the game simultaneously on both devices, as it may cause syncing issues. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can transfer account to new device on eFootball. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.